Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're stepping into pure old-school American luxury with the 1990 Cadillac Brougham, a car that defines comfort, presence, and timeless style. Finished in a deep black color, this Brougham looks bold, elegant, and incredibly classy. It represents an era when cars were built big, soft, and focused on delivering the smoothest ride possible. If you love vintage luxury, this is one car you don't want to miss. Let's dive into everything. Exterior, interior, performance, and why this car still has a strong following today. Exterior. Starting with the exterior, the 1990 Cadillac Brougham is all about size and presence. The black paint gives it a formal, almost limousine-like appearance, making it stand out as a true luxury icon. At the front, you get that signature Cadillac look, a large chrome grille, rectangular headlights, and a long, flat hood that stretches forward with confidence. Chrome bumpers and trim pieces shine beautifully against the black paint, giving the car a premium and classic feel. From the side, the Brougham's length is undeniable. The straight body lines, large doors, and wide stance create a commanding road presence. Many models feature a vinyl roof, adding an extra layer of luxury and vintage character. Wire-style hubcaps or classic wheels complete the timeless look. At the rear, vertical taillights and a wide trunk give the car a balanced and symmetrical design. The black color enhances every detail, making it look sleek and powerful even when parked. Interior. Step inside the 1990 Brougham, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a living room than a car. Comfort is the main focus here, and Cadillac delivers it perfectly. The seats are huge, soft, and plush, often covered in velour or leather. You sink into them, and instantly feel relaxed. The black exterior pairs beautifully with interior colors like gray, burgundy, or tan, creating a warm and luxurious atmosphere. The dashboard features wood grain trim, analog gauges, and simple, easy-to-use controls. Everything is designed with comfort and accessibility in mind. The steering wheel is large and smooth, perfect for relaxed cruising. Rear passengers enjoy tons of space, with generous legroom and soft seating that makes long trips incredibly comfortable. This is true old-school American luxury, simple, elegant, and extremely comfortable. Performance. Under the hood, the 1990 Cadillac Brougham typically comes with a 5.0-liter V8 engine, with an optional 5.7-liter V8 available. These engines are designed for smooth, reliable performance rather than speed. The automatic transmission shifts softly, keeping the driving experience calm and relaxed. Rear-wheel drive adds to the classic feel, while the suspension is tuned for maximum comfort, absorbing bumps with ease. Acceleration is smooth and steady, and the V8 engine produces that deep, classic American sound that enthusiasts love. This car isn't about racing, it's about cruising in style. Driving the 1990 Brougham is like floating on the road. The suspension is incredibly soft, soaking up every bump and making the ride feel effortless. The steering is light, making it easy to handle despite its size. On the highway, the car feels stable, quiet, and extremely comfortable. It's the perfect car for long drives, where comfort matters more than speed. Every drive feels special in this car. The black exterior adds to the experience, giving it a classy, almost VIP presence wherever you go. Technology and features. For its time, the 1990 Brougham was well equipped with luxury features. These include power windows, power seats, cruise control, air conditioning, and a premium sound system. While it doesn't have modern tech like touchscreens or driver assist systems, it offers everything needed for a comfortable and enjoyable drive. The focus here is simplicity and reliability. Owning a 1990 Cadillac Brougham today is relatively straightforward compared to modern cars. Regular maintenance like oil changes, brake checks, and suspension work will keep it running smoothly. Parts are still available due to shared GM components, and the simple mechanical design makes repairs easier. However, keeping the paint, chrome, and interior in good condition requires proper care. For enthusiasts, owning a Brougham is about enjoying a classic driving experience and preserving a piece of automotive history. Price and collectability. The 1990 Cadillac Brougham is becoming more popular among collectors, especially clean and original examples. Prices typically range from $4,000 to $12,000, depending on condition and mileage. The black color is particularly desirable, giving the car a timeless and elegant look. As full-size luxury sedans from this era become rarer, the Brougham continues to gain appreciation among enthusiasts. To wrap things up, the 1990 Cadillac Brougham in black is a true representation of classic American luxury. It offers unmatched comfort, timeless design, smooth V8 performance, and a driving experience that's all about relaxation. Whether you're a collector, a fan of vintage cars, or someone who appreciates old-school luxury, this Brougham is a fantastic choice. It's more than just a car, it's a lifestyle and a piece of history. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another classic car deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.